This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering essentials, account credentials, and a clear goal. Once done, open ChatGPT and pick a model that fits your task. Lower temperature for accuracy, higher for creativity. Next, craft a focused prompt with context, desired length, and format examples so the model knows what to produce. Be specific, state role, output type, and any constraints. Finally, run a quick test, prompt to confirm responses match expectations before expanding the work. Now refine outputs by iterating. Split complex tasks into discrete steps and feed results back in sequence. Make sure to use system messages or role instructions to lock tone and format. This reduces back and forth. When replies are off, ask for targeted edits. Clarify which part to expand or trim and provide examples of desired revisions. Use temperature, max tokens, and stop sequences to control length and style. Repeat until the output meets your quality and accuracy standards. To finish, proofread and validate the content, verify facts and adjust for voice or format, then export or copy the final result. Make sure to save successful prompts and templates for reuse so you build a prompt library. If the model drifts or gives errors, first simplify the prompt and restate constraints, then resend context in smaller parts. If needed, start a fresh chat to remove corrupted context. One key tip: always include examples when repeating complex requests to reduce ambiguity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.